Yes, unmute your videos.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. Only 29 members. Why? Why is Z group always only 21, 29? Kyun? What about others? You don't want to unmute your videos? Amit.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Why sir? You don't want to unmute your video? अच्छा ऑडियो
Yes,
सुनने
ma'am.
में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है लेकिन अनम्यूट करने में प्रॉब्लम है हाँ I didn't see you one time also unmuting your video. Yes, Amit.
Sorry.
What was our last class? What we have discussed in the last class? Yes. What was our last class? What we have discussed?
Physical development of school age children.
Under that, after that, what we have discussed? We have discussed the rest and sleep.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And we have discussed the stages and we have discussed the factors affecting sleep, right? Whether we have completed that factors affecting sleep. What are the factors which will affect the sleep?
Age, illness, environment factors, lifestyle, stress, smokers, dietary patterns, alcohol addicted people.
Alcohol addicted people, then that's all. Diet, smoking, whether we have discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And also the medications. If a person is taking any sleep medications, that will also affect the sleep. Yes, then we have completed the factors affecting sleep. Then we'll see the nurse's responsibility to promote sleep. What will be the nurse's responsibility? What are the nurse's responsibility? What you, by seeing all the factors, all the characteristics, how you will promote the sleep? What you will give a health education to a mother? Tell me what health education you will give to the mother regarding the sleep?
Ma'am,
Or what
given
Hmm.
education regarding how many hours to sleep.
Then you will educate the child to have a maintain a proper bedtime, is it not? And you will tell the child not to sleep in the afternoon in order to avoid the in order to not getting sleep at a night time. Yes, you will tell the child not to sleep at the afternoon. Then other than that, you will educate the child to have adequate exercise so that you will get sleep at a night, is it not? Then you will motivate the child that to have a calm environment before sleep. Yes, these all are the health education you can give to a child, right? What are the other health education you can give? अगर नींद नहीं आता होगा तो what health education you can give to those children who don't get sleep? What health education you can give to a child who don't get sleep? You people never done that. जब नींद नहीं आता है तो what you will do? You'll open your mobile and you will see. You'll open your mobile and see. Huh? What you will do, people, when you don't get a sleep, what you can do? At least for a relaxing, you will read something or you will listen to songs. Yes, no, to get the sleep. These are the things you can tell to a child. If you don't get a sleep, at least you read some books or listen to some music. Okay, understood the nursing responsibility?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Next is the, as I said, there will be a eruption of a temporary teeth and there will be growing of a permanent teeth. Yes, what the dental health you can give for a school age children? There will be a permanent teeth growing in a school age children. What dental health you can give? What dental education you can give? As children will be eating more sweets, more sugar, more chocolates, what you can give as education? You will ask the child to avoid the sweets. You will ask the mother to avoid the sweets to giving the child. Other than that, you will explain the problems by taking chocolates. What will happen? Cavities may develop. Is it not? All those things you will tell the child as well as you will educate the mother. Is that clear? The people who are you are muting the videos. I will not give you attendance from today. Is that clear? It's applicable to everyone. Next is the sex education. What sex education you can give to school age children?
Good touch, bad touch.
That you have taught in preschoolers. Preschooler बच्चों को ही तुम लोग सिखा दोगे कि bad touch क्या है, good touch क्या है. This is the school going children. So what are the things you can tell? As I said, this is the age of 16 to 12 years. They will be more prone to where the maturation takes place and when where they are entering into the puberty. Is it not? So you will explain you will not explain completely the anatomy of one organs. Just you will give a brief description and the same thing, the bad touch, good touch, the same thing will continue, and also you will give a health education regarding the anatomy of a sex organs. Is that clear? And the changes due to hormonal changes, what are the physical changes takes place in sex organs, all those things you have to explain to a child. Understood? What are the things you have to tell to a child or to a school
Yes,
going
ma'am.
children? Next, we'll see the next topic, adolescence. Understood the full school going children. What are the things we have discussed? We have discussed the biological developments, physical growth. Then what else we have discussed in schooler?
Ma'am, physical growth, biological
Yes, what we have
development. Sleep.
Growth,
which
development,
is
sleep and rest, and the stages of sleep and the factors which affect the sleep and the sleep requirement for each stages of a child. Then nursing responsible to promote the sleep. Then we have seen the dental health. What the dental health you can give to a mother as well as to the child. Is that clear? Next,
Yes,
we will see
ma'am.
the adolescence. Adolescence, what you can, what is the age of an adolescence? To what age we call as an adolescence?
13 to 19 years.
From, if preschooler is 6 to 12 years, then after 12 years, from 12 to 18 years, we call it as adolescence. What do you mean by adolescence or adolescent? What it means? It means to grow or to mature. Okay, adolescence in a Greek, it is a Latin word which means to grow or to mature. Okay, let us see the physical developments. What are the physical developments or the physical growth takes place in a adult? What will be the weight of an adult? In what range the adult weight will be? It can be from 30 to 60 kg, is it not? Till 60 kg adults weight will be. And the female from 40 to 60. Okay, that is the range of weight in a male and a female. Coming to the height will be 154 centimeter in a male and a female 153 to 167. Till 167, the male and female can grow in a height wise. Is that clear? 154 to 172. Till 172, the male height will be, whereas in a female, 153 to 162. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Then what is the, I think I don't require to tell the pulse, respiration and BP. What is the normal pulse of an adult?
72
Ma'am,
to 80
72 to
beats per
80
minute.
beats per minute.
Respiration?
Respirator 16 to
16 to
24
22 breath per minute.
beats per
Breath per
minute.
minute. BP?
BP 120 per 80 mmHg.
These are the physical growth. Okay. Next, what are the physical biological developments which takes place? Obviously, there will be a hormonal, n number of hormonal changes takes place during the puberty. That is after 12 years. Even in boys, even in girls also. What happens in girls? The girl will start for a menarche. Okay. The menstruation cycle will start at the age of 12 years. Coming to the boys, what happens? How they get maturation? Through the changes of the voice. The voice changes. That indicates there is a maturation in the age. Is that clear?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what happens to the what happens to the intellectual development? How the adults in brain will be, how the intellectual development takes place in adult? They will have all critical thinking. They will focus on new things. Yes, no? Only thing is they will lack of discipline. Yes, that is the intellectual development in adult. Is it so? Critical thinking will be there, and they will have an interest to learn new things, and everything will be there. But only thing is lack of discipline will be seen in adolescence. Why? Why the lack of discipline will be there in adolescence? No idea. Okay, think and tell me. Next, we'll see the social development. What happens in a social development? What are the things can happen in a social development? The child will start adjusting with the peer groups as well as the family members. Yes, no? The emotional attachment takes place. And what happens? The main character of the school adolescents in every stages of child, I'm telling you the main characteristics. Just do remember that. In adolescence, the main characteristic is their unrealism. What do you mean by unrealism? What do you mean by that? Is the main feature of adolescence. The unrealism. Unrealism is nothing but always you will think that you are right. Whatever circumstances, whatever situations come, the adult will feel that whatever we tell, that is the right thing. Yes, have you ever witnessed that? करते हो कि नहीं तुम लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good to agree that. Whatever we do, whatever we think, always we think that we are doing the right thing. That is the characteristics which develop in adolescent. Okay. Then the adult will start doing a daydreaming. The daydreaming will start, and also they will start developing a self-respect. And also one more character is the adult always will start to find a shortcut. Yes, shortcut for everything, for studying, for anything. The adults will have a character of finding the shortcuts. Is it so? Whatever the adolescence I am telling, this is all applicable for you people. Just think of yourself and you understand. Getting, Sangeeta? Yes, understanding. Or next, the other disorders which we can see in adult is the 3 type of disorders we can see in adults. If they have overeating, if they take less food, and if they don't eat food, what happens? What are the conditions called? Anorexia nervosa, you have heard of that?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by that? Anorexia nervosa?
Loss of appetite.
Loss of appetite, ma'am.
Appetite. Where what happens if there is a loss of appetite? The person will go into an underweight. Okay. the weight will be very less compared to the BMI. And what do you mean by bulimia nervosa? Have you heard about that?
No, ma'am.
Bulimia nervosa is nothing but the normal weight of an adult, okay, which it's meeting the BMI of a person, that is bulimia nervosa. And the bring eating disorder is nothing but overeating, okay. Anorexia nervosa is underweight, the person who have a lack of appetite. And bring eating disorder is overeating, the person who have more eating frequency of eating will be, for them we call it as bring eating disorder. And the bulimia nervosa is the normal weight, the person who have a normal weight and who has meeting the BMI. Understood the eating disorder? Yes, understanding. What happens to the psychosocial development, psychosexual? Actually, in adult, we will see the psychosexual development. What do you mean by psychosexual development? What happens in adult?
Mental capability of
Mental capability of psychosexual development, all the sex organs will start becoming maturation, is it not? Because of that, what happens due to the hormonal changes, the adult age, they start to doing a masturbation, okay. Due to the hormonal changes, this masturbation takes place, is it not? That is the age from 12 to 18 years where the hormonal changes takes place and where the sexual organs becomes mature. Is that clear? That is the only development which takes place in a psychosexual development, okay. And next, coming to the cognitive developments. What happens in the cognitive developments? If you don't answer, I will skip the content, that's all. It's cognitive development. In the cognitive development, the adult will have
Reading
abstract thinking.
Ma'am, reading skill improve and thinking develop.
All the from school age to adult, the thinking capacity will increase. Yes, they can think critically. Whatever the things happen, they can think critically. They can understand. They can reason it out. Is it not? All those things will develop in a adult. What happens to the growth? According to the height, the weight has to be increased, or according to the weight, height has to be increased. Vice versa. Okay. Understood? And what happened to the voice of a male and a female? As I said you, as there is a changes in a puberty, what happens? The male voice will become deeper, it become louder compared to the girl's voice. Is it not? How the baby was in 7 years before, can it same voice will be there after 20 years or after 15 years? Can it be? No, it won't be. So the voice changes will be taking place in an adult. These all are the biological developments. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then summarize what we have discussed. What are the things we have discussed? Yes.
Adolescent biological development.
Adolescent biological development.
What are the biological developments we have discussed? You just summarize it.
Respiration, pulse rate,
Pulse rate, her height, weight,
BP.
BP.
Then
Psychosexual development.
Psychosexual development. Before that, we have discussed about the social development, intellectual development. Is it not?
Yes.
We have discussed
ma'am.
about it. Then we have discussed the eating disorders. What are the eating disorders? Mainly, these are the fill in the blanks question they asked in a question in exams. Okay, the eating disorders which are seen in adults. What are those? Next, what are those? The eating disorders?
And bulimia nervosa.
bulimia nervosism.
Another one. Another one. Bring eating disorder. Understanding? Understood the content? Next, we
Yes,
will see the
ma'am.
other things in the next class. The health promotion, how you will do a health promotion in an adult, and even the same thing, the role of a mother in a sex education. Okay, all those things we'll see in the next class. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only I am hearing the
Okay,
girls'
ma'am.
voice. What about the boys? Huh? Only few girls are always attentive. They will answer me. What about the boys? Sleeping.
No, ma'am.
Never I heard anyone's voice here. Only 2-3 girls are there who will answer. Boys, they will mute their videos and they will sit. Huh? Okay, will not give attendance. This is a new rules from today. Is that clear? Shall we do that? The people who have unmuted their videos, I will give the attendance. The people who have not unmuted, who are not responding, will not give the attendance. Because that is the main intention, no? Only for attendance, you people are attending the class. So let us do that. At least if you can't unmute your videos, respond. At least if I hear, I can understand this. You people are at least listening. Any doubt? No? Shall we leave then?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, also they will not tell you.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.